This video will illustrate how to take an exam using RPNow. To get started, click the Start Proctored Exam button in your edX course, which will take you to edX.remoteproctor.com. Review the instructions on the screen. Click Download Software to proceed. Depending on your browser and operating system, run or save the file. Then navigate to your default download location to run the file. This page contains simple step-by-step instructions. You should review them at least the first time you use RPNow. You can uncheck this box to prevent these instructions from appearing the next time you take a test. After reviewing these instructions, click Next to proceed. RPNow will now prompt you to confirm that you have a working microphone on. Please complete the check by speaking into your microphone. You can read the information on the screen or say anything else you like. If you fail the microphone check, you should retry the test by speaking into the mic again. When you pass the microphone check, click Continue to proceed. On the next screen, insert the exam code provided to you by your instructor and click Validate. The screen will populate the exam name and duration. Click Next. The next few screens describe in detail how RPNow will proctor you during the exam. Following those screens, RPNow starts the interview process, during which you will authenticate your identity and demonstrate that you are following all the exam rules as you start the exam. If for any reason the next screen, which is the start of the interview process, fails to load properly, click the Reload button on the top right of the page. Please note that you can obtain immediate technical assistance whenever using RPNow by clicking the Contact Support button, also in the top right of the page. During the interview, you'll first be prompted to provide a picture of your ID photo. This picture should clearly capture your ID and requires you to click this box to confirm that the image captured is clear and readable. If the picture you capture is not clear, you can click on the Retake ID Photo button. Otherwise, click Confirm ID Photo. You will next be prompted to provide a full scan of the room in which you are testing to demonstrate that you are abiding to the exam condition rules, that you do not have any materials visible that are prohibited. Be sure to capture your desktop as well as the floor around you. You are required to review the room scan, which will be automatically replayed, and will require you to confirm that it captured the view of your exam conditions by clicking the checkbox and the Confirm Room Desk Scan button. Lastly, you'll be required to capture a picture of yourself. You must confirm that you've reviewed the image captured and that the image is clear and able to be used to confirm your identity. Click the checkbox and the Confirm User Photo button. Next, you will see a screen informing you your exam session has started. You are now in the exam, and RPNow is recording the video and audio feed from your web camera. It's also creating a video of everything you can see on your computer desktop, and also running browser security that prevents and reports on you launching programs that have been prohibited during the exam. Do not close this window before you finish your exam. If you close this window, your proctoring session ends and you will not successfully complete the proctored exam. From here, return to the edX course window to start your exam. Once you have completed and submitted your exam, please note that the recording continues until you click the Close button on the top right of the screen to close the RPNow browser. Again, you'll need to go back into the RPNow software, as the software will continue to record until this Close button has been selected and you have quit out of the software. You may see a web page pop up after you've closed RPNow. This page indicates that the software has completed processing and terminated normally. This concludes how to take a proctored edX exam using RPNow. Thank you for using RPNow and good luck on your exam.